Welcome to John Deere Des Moines Works. This is one of many John Deere manufacturing facilities around the globe, all dedicated to the same purpose, helping John Deere meet its commitment to those linked to the land. It's a pleasure to have this opportunity to share a little bit about ourselves. Our story begins back in 1941, at the outset of World War II. The United States government was dramatically increasing its capacity to manufacture ammunition, so the Des Moines Ordnance Plant was built. Over the next 4 years, the Ordnance Plant, a vast complex of 279 buildings sprawled across 4,400 acres, played an important role in the war effort, producing billions of 30 and 50 caliber machine gun rounds for U.S. and Allied troops. The plant stopped production after the war ended in 1945. In 1947, John Deere purchased almost 600 acres of the land and nearly 40 acres of the building space for what would become John Deere Des Moines Works. Just 1 year later, in 1948, the first John Deere machine, a 226 corn picker, rolled off the assembly line. At the time, John Deere Des Moines Works employed 570 people. Today, employment is over 1,300 people. We are all inspired by John Deere's core values of integrity, quality, commitment, and innovation. Des Moines Works is a world-class manufacturing facility that produces a wide range of farm machinery, from self-propelled sprayers, spreaders, and cotton harvesters, to tillage equipment and grain drills. What goes into making the equipment that helps our customers feed and clothe people all around the world? It starts with vision. John Deere founded the company in 1837 based on a simple vision. He wanted to help farmers become more efficient and profitable. Today, nearly 2 centuries later, we still embrace that vision. In a company-wide process that begins and ends with our customers' input, we are constantly looking for new ways to meet their evolving needs. State-of-the-art computers allow our engineers to test their imaginations, designing efficient, high-quality machines. To build those machines that are worthy of wearing the John Deere name, we start with the best raw materials. We cut and shape high-quality steel using computer-guided lasers. From here, we combine the efforts of man and machine, drawing on the talents of expert manual welders and using the latest robotic techniques to create individual components. We place components in a multi-stage wash system to prepare them for painting. Here, a process called E-coat, an electrically applied paint coating, places a negatively charged part into a positively charged paint bath, drawing paint into every single crevice. This creates a smooth, seamless coat. Using a similar technique, we apply a powder top coat paint, which is then cured at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The result? A coating that deters corrosion and enhances appearance. It's John Deere Green. And it's John Deere durable. We build the foundation for our powered cotton harvesters and sprayers with welded steel. At the same time, we're building and testing sub-assemblies, such as the power module and the round module builder. We do this in areas parallel to the main assembly line, and then we add them when the appropriate machine passes. This just-in-time delivery allows us to customize every machine without requiring downtime or retooling on the main assembly line. We enhance the talents of our expert employees through the latest robotics and smart tool technology, making John Deere an industry leader in digital manufacturing. Our assembly systems communicate with our assembly torque tools in real time, giving our employees immediate feedback and ensuring that every turn of the wrench meets a precise specification. And our assembly system confirms that each machine is customized to the customer's exact specifications. Every piece of John Deere equipment is made to order and fully customized to match each customer's needs. We do this by delivering individual specifications for each product to the workstations throughout assembly. By following flexible manufacturing processes, we can efficiently build hundreds of unique product configurations, all on the same assembly line. As each machine makes its way along the main assembly line, station by station and step by step, Our teams add new components and make frequent quality checks to ensure proper assembly and operation. We do more than build equipment here. We also design and test machines and components. Our engineers and technicians run the Global Product Engineering Center for the application equipment, cotton harvesting equipment, and tillage equipment product lines. This means we design equipment here. We run virtual analysis of our designs and we build prototypes. We conduct physical testing, including field tests with our customers to ensure that our products meet their requirements. Using a controlled environment, our test group subjects the equipment to the real-life demands of the field and beyond. We're always innovating, looking for new ways to test our work, putting our equipment through the toughest tests, and then making those tests even tougher. We do all that for one reason: quality. Delivering an unmatched John Deere experience means building equipment whose quality is unrivaled. Among the elements that go into making quality products, teamwork may be the most important. Our solid, long-standing relationship with UAW Local 450 and IAM Local 254 are critical to our overall success. With our top-notch talent, our ISO certification, and our John Deere Quality and Production System certifications, we can produce machines with world-class quality. The simple fact is, there are no shortcuts to ensuring superior John Deere products. Employees at John Deere Des Moines Works take pride in our products and our customers, and we also take pride in the communities where we live and work. We're a vital part of Ankeny and Des Moines, as well as the surrounding communities, through our thousands of hours of volunteer work and generous financial support. By joining forces with local and national charitable organizations, we're helping to improve the social, civic, and educational opportunities for people throughout the region. Thank you for joining us for this brief look at John Deere Des Moines Works. Together with our customers in hundreds of countries on 6 continents, we're supporting higher living standards for people everywhere through our commitment to those linked to the land.